Hi, I'm Gord. I'm the designer of board games like Santorini and puzzles like you'll find on Math Pickle and in this video series. This is a happy day for me. For the first time, I'm being funded to do this video series not by an American group, but by a Canadian group. Nothing against Americans, but it's nice. So thank you very much, Mathematics Council, Alberta Teachers Association. This week we're looking at cartouche puzzles, and the other video explains how to actually play them, and that video is good for kids. This video is really only for you teachers. The first thing is how nice these puzzles are. They can be really curricularly specific in a way that other puzzles like Can really aren't. For example, if you're a grade 8 teacher and you want to do algebra, these puzzles can be adapted for algebra, and we're going to see some of those puzzles later on in this video. All of the puzzles that I'm going to be explaining are going to be on a PDF, and you guys are going to get that PDF along with these videos. So let's jump right in. The first puzzle sheet that I'm going to show you guys is for a grade 3 and 4 classroom. Here it is, and you can see that there's 6 puzzles. I will be showing the solutions to all of these next week. This is a puzzle for kids working on division. I should say that this doesn't necessarily mean that this is this number divided by this number. It could also be this number divided by this number is equal to 3. There could also be a 0 out in front. So for example, this could be 12, 1, 2 divided by 0, 4. So it could be like that. So there could be a 0 out in front of these in these cartouche. Okay. Oh, I should also say that for these vertical ones, these will always be read from the top down. So this could be 25. You would never read it 2, 5 going up. This here is for a class looking for prime factorization of large numbers. So here we have 1890 in all of the left boxes. All of the other puzzle clues are different. Here is an algebra puzzle. All of the coefficients for these puzzles are going to be integers, so you don't have to worry about fractions. Kids that I've presented cartouche to before have enjoyed making their own. So this is a set of puzzles created by kids for your kids. Here Tyler has created this puzzle, for example, and it has 4 solutions, but he still was excited about it. So I've just said, yeah, you can try to solve this, but there are 4 solutions to it. These puzzles in this column, you can see that here the digits have been given, so you don't have to find out what the 4 digits are. Just remember that these 4 digits will be in every column and every row. The stars indicate how difficult the puzzle or problem is. So 4 stars here, that's a pretty difficult one. 1 star, a lot easier. Good. Well, enjoy, and whenever you guys are ready to create your own puzzles as a class, I would love to see them. To create your own puzzles, first of all, your children are going to write in numbers. So for example, they would choose which 3 digits they want. So let's say they chose the digits 3, 4, and 7. So then they would write in a 3, a 4, and a 7, and then make sure that they don't repeat in any row or column. So maybe the 7s go on this diagonal, and just make sure that no row and no column has more than 1 3 or more than 1 4. Good. So that's how you start. Then you're going to get the kids to choose what operation they want. So are they going to do multiplication? Are they going to do addition? That's up to them. And then they put the result in at the top. Now what they do is they write in this bottom one, they don't give the answers now, they just write in the operation and the result. And then they rip this in 2. They give this part to their friend, and their friend has to fill in these with the numbers. So There you go. That's how you create one. And if you want to, you can also create these 4x4 cartouche. These are a lot more difficult to make as well as to solve. Good. I will see you next week, and with lots of solutions. And if you guys ever want to reach me, it's gord@mathpickle.com. Take care.